What are genital warts? Genital warts are small, flesh-colored or grey growths that appear in the genital, in the anal, or the groin area. They are caused by certain strains of the human papillomavirus. Genital warts can be itchy, uncomfortable, or cause emotional distress, but they are generally not painful and do not pose a major health risk in most cases. What are the signs? What are the symptoms? Things you should look out for. Normally they are small, they are soft, they are skin color bumps you notice in your genital or your anal area. Sometimes they cluster to form what we know as a cauliflower. Is when you go to major supermarket, you see it in the fruit area. So sometimes it can be itching, it can be discomforting, but sometimes it doesn't have any symptoms at all. It depends on the stage of the disease when you have this particular problem. What do you do if you have genital warts? We advise people do not self-medicate. See a dermatologist as soon as it is possible. Do not touch that area. Be careful of how you touch that area. And if you're married or you're sexually active, we always advise abstain from sexual exposure at that particular time. But if you still want to go ahead, kindly use protection. Use protection. If you have it, use protection. We also advise avoid using really potent over-the-counter medications, as this can be really caustic and give you a lot of problem. Sometimes also using this particular over-the-counter treatment can also make it worse, can also make it spread deeper, or can also make it spread faster. So that is why we encourage see your dermatologist as much as it is possible. Then also what you can do at home is boost your immunity. Anything that will make you reduce your immunity, any stress, reduce your stress level, eat well, take your fruit, take your vegetables, take a lot of water, rest well, because when your immunity is strong enough, it helps to fight this infection. It helps to fight it, make sure it doesn't spread as fast as it should have spread. So that's why it's very important to boost your immunity. And one of the reasons why we say abstain from sexual activities, there are a lot of strains of this virus. When you continue to engage in unprotected sexual activities, you may be infected with a strain that you do not already have. Let's say you have strain 16, HPV 16, and you do not have 18 or 35 yet. When you have unprotected sex, you may come down with other strains that you do not have. That is why we encourage use protection, even if you already have the genital warts.